Hello everyone. Today is the day 15, today is the day 16 of our spoken English, and this we have started this challenge, 21 days challenge to improve ourselves in spoken English. And today I want to talk about one skill that is that plays a very important role in our whole life. On the base of this skill, influencers become most popular in public. Because of this skill, you buy a product. Because of this skill, you purchase any service. Because of this skill, you like or dislike anything or any person. If you like or dislike any person, that is skill behind this. So the skill is storytelling. How the storytellings work? Why is that we like or dislike something due to storytelling? Because uh, there are two types of selling: direct selling or indirect selling. Direct selling, uh, like an example, we are going to purchase a book. So there is a book. We will go to a bookseller and we buy that book. Very simple. This is the direct selling. And what is the indirect selling is, we have seen any advertisement, we have listened by the word of mouth about any book, we have heard about that book online, in any YouTube video or in any advertisement. So that is about storytelling. The author of that book has created, and the team has spread it, and the sellers of that book are have run the sponsors ad. So these things can be happen, that we are going to purchase that product or book. That is indirect selling. If you like a person, there is a storytelling. Like, most of the people of us like Zakir Khan because of their one skill, and that is storytelling. We all know very well that he is a good storyteller, but he started their career as a stand-up comedian, and then we eventually came to know that he is a good storyteller. That's why he is so popular among us. He is on the top of his game because of this one skill, and he has improved his personality a lot in such a great way. And he also teach us how to learn this skill. He accept very easily that he doesn't have this skill by born. He developed this skill. There is a very lean difference between skill and talent. That is, talent is what you have by your talent is what you have by born, but skill you develop. Everything you can develop, everything you can learn is a skill, right? So storytelling is a skill that you can create an impact to anyone. You can please to anyone you want, whether doesn't matter you are telling a story in any language, but the thing matters, it create an impact to someone like to listen your story, right? Many people underestimate about this skill. They don't know even the power of storytelling. Dhruv Rathi, Panchayat, or Kota Factory, these movies, these web series have become so famous just due to storytelling. If we go and watch on YouTube the story of their writers, how they drafted the story behind this, so then they actually tell the process how the story become so famous, how we draft a story from start to end. These type of elements we have to put in crafting a pleasing story. we have to practice a lot to making a story so pleasing, to casting a story in among the public, in the public, right? So that is a very great skill, yeah. We all should learn. I'm not talking about the people who are successful on just their one skill. Like I'm not talking about Warren Buffett. I'm not talking about uh, Elon Musk. They are a businessman type of based on the skill they have expertism in. But if you take the example of Jeff Bezos, he started his own business, and when he started his own business, there is one thing that everyone have to learn, that is selling, skill of selling. If you don't have skill of selling, you can't start a business. Some probably you can start, but you cannot go long in your journey. So if I take the example of Jeff Bezos, so there is high chances that he is also a good storyteller or he is a good salesman, because without salesmanship he couldn't start his business. He started his business by book selling. If he did not have the skill of selling or storytelling, he couldn't take his first funding. He couldn't sell his first book online or offline, right? So any business needs a salesmanship skills to grow or to start even. So this thing came in my mind today, that we should cover it in today's session, in today's video. And yeah, this is just all enough what I have shared with you. And you also start learn something and tell me about your learning journey, whatever you are learning, and what wherever you have achieved any milestone. And tell me in the comment box whatever you have learned, and what the things is very demanding in the current scenario, in the current world, whether in the professional career, whether in personal way, whether in soft skills or whether professional skills. It may be anything. Share and start learning you also. And remember that the choices you are taking today will be fruitful in the future, definitely. So make choices by having a healthy mind. Take care of your mind and body very much. Let's goodbye. Best of luck. Thank you.